60-second tutorial on how to set your Rolex GMT-Master II watch to display 3 time zones at once. Let's say you're in New York and it's 3 PM and you need to regularly know the time in Athens, for example. Step 1. Set the crown to the 3rd position. Rotate the GMT hand to GMT time according to the bezel. In this example, it would be 8 PM or 2000 hours. Step 2. Set the crown to the 2nd position. Rotate the hour hand to the local New York time according to the hour markers. In this example, 3 PM. Step 3. Push and fully secure the crown. Rotate the bezel for each time zone separating the 3rd location from GMT, or London. In this example, Athens is 2 time zones ahead of GMT. The rule is, rotate anti-clockwise for ahead, clockwise for behind. Now the watch is displaying your local New York time as 3 PM, GMT or London time as 8 PM, or Athens as 10 PM. If this video has helped you and you now know how to operate your GMT function perfectly, then tell me below and I'd love to hear it. Or if you're still struggling, then please click the link below to speak to a watch specialist about the GMT. We release a brand new video about watches or jewellery every week, so make sure you click that subscribe button to never miss a single one.